today is Sunday, and you telling me I must go to church. I should attend church every single Sunday, and you don't attend church every single Sunday. You're the one that is going to church for all the wrong reasons. You know what? Church used to be, a place of worship. I used to enjoy going to church, but I don't go to church now. I don't attend church now for the last 12 to 13 years. The last time I've been to church was at my mom's funeral, and I've never ever set foot in church ever again. Maybe in the future I will go to church again. Okay, maybe if the people in church actually go to church for the right reasons. But until then, I won't go to church because of the following reasons. Reason number one: the pastor loves money. The pastor that is preaching every Sunday about the gospel, he loves money. He or she, they love money. I do understand that the church is a building, and a building has to be maintained. The water bill and the electricity bill has to be paid every single month. I do understand that, okay? And I do understand you need to put money in the offering plate in order to pay the pastor, okay? But you cannot ask people money every single time because you know the way the world are today. People are struggling. People are losing their jobs currently because of this whole Middle Eastern war thing that's going on. Okay, people are losing their jobs. Now the church demands money. Okay, instead of hosting a food fair, let's say once a month at church or once every second month in order to get funds into the church. These people ask directly for the congregation for money, which is unfair. Okay, the pastors and the deacons, they must come together and run the church properly. Okay, we cannot have this about asking money every time. Okay, it's unfair. Don't ask me for money because I'm unemployed. Okay, I'm unemployed. I don't have a full-time job. I only work when there is work. Then I do work. Okay, I'm basically I'm a part-time worker. Now I'm on YouTube trying to hustle my way to get money into my bank account. Okay, so the people need to think. Okay, before they say go to church, you need to think because it costs money to go to church as well. You need to take taxi or bus or a train to go to church or Uber if you don't have your own car. Because here in South Africa now, there's no fuel to put in your tank to fill up your tank. There's absolutely no fuel. Okay, the gas stations, as we say here in South Africa, the garages is there's no fuel. You know, at the pumps. The pumps is dry. There's nothing going on. Okay? So please guys come right. Don't ask me for to go to church.